What's up, everybody? Wanted to do a quick review of my e-bike you see sitting there. So I know that there's so many e-bike reviews out there. People talk about them all the time. I kind of waited. I wanted to put some miles on this one, see whether I liked it, and see really what I thought about it. So here it is. This is the Vtuvia SK200 fat tire folding e-bike. So kind of to give you an idea about it, I figured I'll tell you a little bit more about here. I'm actually going to fold it up, so as I'm talking you see kind of what it looks like folding and how it folds and everything. But realistically, I'm 6 foot, 260 pounds or so, 250, 260 pounds, and I've had this thing up to 34 miles an hour, according to it. Fantastic. I've been with Take It. It fits in the back of my van. I wish I could have one of these in every van build I do. It is probably the smoothest on an e-bike that I've had. On a bike, generally, just the fat tires make a huge difference. I obviously, as you guys know, live in the city, so I keep it in the garage, but again, nice and easy. It also, though, when it's not living in the garage, it just lives in the van. Because it folds up, I'm able to put it in the back of the van. So just wanted to show you a little bit, obviously show you a little bit about the controls of it. If I flip the screen here, you can see I've got it on right now. Gives me battery levels, what kind of power I'm using, speed, as well as my odometer. Like I said, just shy of 100 miles, just about to tick over. You can change gears on. I find I hardly ever do. It does have just the throttle here. Front and rear disc brakes. It came with this little luggage rack. You can also pull the battery out. I charge it in it. It comes with its own charger. So overall, though, it does, if you actually, to turn it on, you just turn the key and then push and hold the M. And you notice it turns it off, but now if I turn it back on, it's on. And then also, if you push and hold the plus, that's how you turn on to night mode. Got a headlight and tail light back here, so which also works as a brake light. So like I said, this is the Vtuvia SK200 folding fat tire e-bike.